So guys, I'm back. Is this maybe about 10 minutes? Guys, it dry. See, it dry. And so you have that sheen. I didn't spray any oil sheen or anything. You add a human ear. You don't need all of them something. If you're gonna put in the oil, get a little bit of um the silk oil. By Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today you're gonna get ready with me. Yes, work, and I'm going to go into a meeting. Yes, guys, work. So yeah, my eyebrows, they're not arch or anything. No makeup. I just have my lashes on. So let's get into this. So you can't do hair. You're not a hair type of person, and you feel like you can't put something together because you're not pro. You don't know about hair. Maybe you can't cornrow. You can always go to the salon and get your hair. Get a hairdo, a hair cornrow backwards, or you can even catch up your hair and put on wigs. Nothing is wrong with that. Just get it down. Yeah, but make sure you're treating the hair too as well. All right. So I did a video on what to do before you put on your wig, so you can check that video out. So let's get into it, because remember, this should take maybe 10 minutes or less. And if it takes more time, then no problem. All right. So let's get into the video. I have a bottle of water. Yes, here. I have my mousse. Yes, guys. It is on the part going down. But let me tell you, this is not a paid promotion. The mousse here, it's a you see a little bit left in it, but a little bit goes a long way. Trust me, it definitely Isa Plus and I have anything like me need to start take off the label them and do what I do, because I forgot us PMA for you know. But I love it. It had sheen, fast dry, firm hold, and gives hair body and volume. Yes, guys, trust me. I don't know talk things. It work. All right. And for the I have can use a foundation to see other parting, or yes, guys, a pencil, your eyebrow pencil or your lip liner, but buy it specifically for that purpose. Don't use it back on. All right. And you can use a concealer. I think this is beautiful bronze, or you can use a cap. I'm not going to use a cap. This cap is, if you use this cap, you have to use your foundation. You can also go ahead and use your foundation on it. You can use this one, but I'm not going to use the foundation or anything like that, or the spray to put makeup to put on this. You have a darker cap that can matches your skin color, but the scalp. So yeah, now I use this either. One of them. This almost done. This is a little bit darker than this one. You might say no, Nisha, because this case is lighter. No, darling, there. This one is on the verge of finishing, so yeah, and that one there. So I'm going to use this because I don't want to use anything on the scalp and the wig and then come back to my eyes. No, darling. So let's get into it. So here is the wig that I'm using for today. This is it, and it's a gift. Thank you very much. You know yourself, guys. But just not talk about the blessing them I come right now. No, me share my story over my other channel on my testings. It pays to serve the Lord. Every time I get some ear, but just I say, just hold on to the Lord, and I'm grateful. So let's dive in and look at this. This year's human hair very, very well. But this is the case of my hair right now. I cornrowed it, I shampoo my hair, cornrowed it back, and you can see my edges. Them I come up bare thing and that. So my edges. This is the trouble side, guys. It not peel out, it's just that it's thin. So sometimes the video might that thin. The ear is there, but it's just thin. And this is the side that I'm going to work with. Using my Ocean right now to get just take out a little bit on my Ocean just to get my hair back. Listen, you see my hair, guys. You see, as soon as I put something in, my hair ready for curl up. So if you know the edge that that can work for me, please let me know. And my tail comb. So I have. So, this is the wig that I'm going to be using now. This is the wig. Let me just get the light. Yeah. Alright, so this is the wig that I'm going to use. It's already, so I put it in some conditioning water. You can also tone the knots and stuff like that and pluck. I went ahead and I put this already on it. So I'm going to show you what to do. So if you can't afford to get the makeup, this one sharpen, but just want to show you one alternative. This, should I do it with you guys? Just put it on it and just rub it. See? Just rub it in the area. Alright, so yeah, this is good for me because they're always spray. I always spray on human ear. Yeah, I'm gonna do that because when somebody head, I don't know what them are old, them are which them are what. Yeah. Sounds stupid, but oh, let me show you. It comes with 3 clips and it comes with, of course, the pin. So I'm going to clip it now. It's that easy. Look how easy. Me know timey. I do this to get the parting, right? So good parting, good. If you have one of the spray that to define your part, you can always put the comb here and then spray it, and then you will go back. So wherever caught the eyeliner or the lip liner or the makeup or the foundation, yeah. I don't trim off all the lace because, as I said, it's a gift and I don't want to really have to go in and do some more plucking. So it's an emergency thing. So I leave this amount of lace. So when I'm doing like when the bonding, then I can get that pick, and I have to go back and do some plucking. So that not going to show. That not see not going to show. Guys, so see it here now. The area I must say though, if a company ever come on board, the name again, them ear shed really, but I really love it. It feel real good, guys. Really feel good. So now I'm just going to see. I'm telling you now, I could do nothing. Get a water bottle. This so add, alright. Get a water bottle. That combing, don't use the tail comb now. Go through with the ear, because this is not for that. You can use your hand and detangle it. You don't need any brush of that sort either. Nor no wax. You don't really have to wax this because you see that something here. Got you. 3 pumps. No, it now go wipe off the eyeliner. And if it fade out a little bit, you can always go in back down. So I'm using a total of 6 pumps overall. And the thing about with this mousse, you don't. So this can use on your naturally. I use it on my naturally when I'm doing my bantu nuts. So you can check well the video there over my other channel, my bantu nuts. When you see me natural here, me rock it. At this I go in with most of the time. And so we use 7, total of 7. Because it really works, guys. Alright, so see you now, you're done. But what I love to do, I love to go back with the water because the mousse can make it come off stiff. I mean, I want it flexible. And the mousse, as I say, it work for them here. You not have to go spend about. The mousse is a big price. You let me see, but I have it for a long time though because I need to go along. 7 pumps, not bad for the falls here. Alright, this will still do that one with itself. See it, guys. Yeah, it's done. Yeah. So now you just pat it down. I'm gonna tell you see there so you can see it come out. Going back. Like it want to sharpen one little bit. Now a little piece. Alright. I just want the Holy Spirit to guide me, so. But I wouldn't go back, I would tell it to come forward. Right? And because it's wet, but wait till it dry. So this is basically what I do. And remember, if I want to define a part, you can get it. I will get that right now, but girl, not have the money, so I can't buy that. I don't have any. It finished, guys. So now I'm gonna tie it down. No, do not makeup now, nothing. I'm going to tie down this, make breakfast, bag of things, and in the prayer meeting, and then yeah. And see it here, guys, all good to go. All good to go. Yeah. All good to go. This is my face. Let me see it. You know where this come from. Now I'm gonna make that bother me. So I just let it stay there and dry. I'm gonna go and do what I do. Alright. So guys, I'm back. This maybe about 10 minutes. Guys, it dry. See, it dry. And if you have that sheen, I didn't spray any oil sheen or anything. You add a human ear. You don't need all of them something. If you're gonna put in the oil, get a little bit of the silk oil, bio-silk. You can use that. I would put a screenshot of that so you guys can see. Just move it about. See it here, guys. See there? And the hair is done. For me today, I'm going to wear it like this. And get in the knitting. So, see it here? to me. So guys, thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video. Let me know if you like this and which other video you'd like to see me do. I'm coming with a video where I undo my braids. Yeah, just it's film already. Just need to start edit and yeah, work a bit my bad. So I'll work on that. But yeah, but meeting starts, I'm gonna go to meeting now. So until then, remember to like, share, leave a comment, and tell me what video you want to see me do next. Look out for, anything. Just tell me now, tell me the ideas, and I'm so happy to have you guys around. So until then, I will forget to them attacks so you could have hear them. So let me turn that down. So bye. Hi guys. So how are you doing? Welcome back to another video. Come on and yes. You have come to the end of another video. I was going to say part of video because that's what they used to do. But yes, guys, this is the look. Tell me if you like it. It didn't take that long. As I can see, just get up and go and put it on. If you can't cornrow, go to the salon, get that done, shampoo, and them cornrow it back for you. Or just sketch it up. Anything that works best for you. Anyway, I can cornrow and I'm coming and teach you how to cornrow because it look easy, but I know also there's little tricks and tips and there about it. So thank you for watching. Again, remember to like, share with your uncle, auntie, cousin, yeah, your uncle, because he might married and have a wigs. So just do the thing them alright. And yes, I'll see you in the next upload. Thank you again. Bye.